So hello, good morning. I have here a Boley Leinen WW82 high precision watchmaker lathe with a wooden accessory box. Yeah, this is a small lathe. If you compare it to my hands, it takes 8mm collets and it's for the watchmaker. Yeah, it's in fantastic condition and ready to use. And in this video, yeah, I would like to show as much details as possible. So here on the back of the motor, this is a Groschopp motor with velocity speed control in left and right direction. So for higher speeds. And for the other direction, you go in this. This is the slow. Yeah, and so it's possible to give tension to this poly cord here, or put it in another speed. Yeah, it's also possible to have this extra shaft up and running. Yeah, you can have it in slow speed and in high speed. So this would be in high speed. So we give it a little bit of tension, and so now this one is running as well. Yeah, the beauty about this set is that you can buy all the parts still in the web shop. So if you later think you want a milling attachment or a different tailstock or more collets or whatever accessory, it's still possible to buy them. Yeah, this is a beautiful set. So let's show some details. Here's a direct dividing attachment with holes here. So there's the collet, it just goes in like this. But also here's a 3-jaw chuck. Here it says Leinen. Yeah, included in the set is a 6-jaw chuck as well. And the faceplate with the center. Here's the cross slide. Yeah, very good condition. It goes really smooth in the complete traject. I don't think it's used much. Yeah, there's some oil there, but for the rest it's clean and beautiful. So here, let's zoom in to this dial. I like these dials from Boley Leinen, they work well. So you can put it on 0 here. Yeah, you can give a little bit more friction to this dial here with the screw, so that works really nice. Yeah, that's the cross slide. Here's the tailstock. So with a 8mm pinola runner, which is really tight. Takes the mesclun and the, sorry, I have a mesclun center here. Goes in. And you can also see when you put in the drive, this drive plate with also a mesclun center, that they align. It's not that easy to show, but they are fantastic in line. If somebody wants to know, I can do a special video about this later. Yeah, here's the flip over T-rest with the white blade for extra contrast. Yeah, maybe let's take the phone out and this is the original motor with the heavy base, and here's the set accessories. So there's some polycord included for the future. Quick change tool post, Boley Leinen with 1 tool holder. And so yeah, what I told earlier, it's possible to order more on the internet. Step collets and ring collets, 2 complete sets. A big collet set going from 0.3mm, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the end, it ends with 56, so 5.6mm is the biggest size here. Yeah, some wax chucks there, and the centers which I just used, they're now installed. There's a roller for the T-rest here and a big one. Yeah, and here the overview. So these centers and this drive plate here are inserted. They make the box complete. Yeah, I want to show the motor plate, but it's a little bit hidden there. Anyway, so the motor plate shows it's also possible to rewire it to 120 volts or 115 for the United States. Yeah, it's upside down, but it says 120 volt and 240 volt are both possible. Don't ask me how to do that, I'm not the specialist there. Yeah, thank you for watching. For now, this is it.